Today I'm going to show you how to buy an Apple gift card on Amazon. Whether you're looking to send a last-minute gift or add credit to your own Apple account, this quick process will have you sorted in just a few minutes. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, open your web browser and head to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can proceed with the purchase smoothly. After logging in, look at the top of the page where you'll find the search bar. Click on it and type in Apple gift card, then hit enter. This will bring up all the available Apple gift card options that Amazon offers, making it easy to find exactly what you need. From the search results, click on Apple gift card. This will take you to the main product page where you can view all the purchasing options and details. Amazon typically features this as one of the top results, so it should be easy to spot. Now you'll notice you have two options to choose from, an e-gift card and a physical gift card. The e-gift card is delivered electronically via email, which is perfect if you need it immediately. The physical gift card, on the other hand, is a tangible card that gets shipped to an address, ideal if you want to hand it to someone in person. Choose whichever option suits your needs best. Once you've selected your preferred format, it's time to pick the amount. You'll see preset price options displayed on the page. Browse through these and select the one that fits your budget or the gift amount you have in mind. Amazon offers a variety of denominations to make this flexible. After selecting your amount, look to the right panel and click Buy Now. This button takes you directly to the checkout process, bypassing the cart entirely. It's a faster route if you're ready to complete your purchase right away. Next, you'll need to select your delivery address. If you chose the physical gift card, this is where it will be shipped. If you opted for the e-gift card, you might see options to enter an email address instead. Make sure the details are correct before moving forward. Now navigate to your payment method. Here you'll see your saved payment options. Select the one you'd like to use for this purchase. Amazon makes this step straightforward by displaying all your available methods clearly. Finally, click Place Your Order. This confirms your purchase and initiates the delivery process. If you selected an e-gift card, you should receive it via email shortly. For a physical card, you'll get shipping confirmation and can track its delivery. And there you have it. You've successfully purchased an Apple gift card on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.